Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have the image open and a working layer selected. Now duplicate the background so you can always revert. Create a curves adjustment layer above the duplicate so you control tonal balance without harming pixels. Once done, toggle the clip preview at 100% and disable any auto exposure. Manual control prevents overcorrection. Make sure your histogram panel is visible so you can watch highlight and shadow clipping while you start pulling midtones down a bit. Now focus on bright regions. Add a shadows/highlights adjustment and reduce highlights incrementally. Start around 20 to 60% depending on severity. Next, add a curves layer and pull the upper midtones down gently to lower overall brightness while retaining contrast. Use the curve point tool on the bright area to make targeted adjustments. Once you have the look, paint on the adjustment layer mask with a soft black brush to hide corrections from areas you want to keep bright. Finish by stacking a gentle exposure or selective color adjustment to correct any wash tones after brightness reduction. Small moves preserve detail. Group your adjustment layers so you can tweak overall opacity. Reduce the group to blend the effect naturally. Once happy, flatten a copy for export, save a PSD for future edits, and compare before/after. Troubleshooting tip. If highlights clip or colors shift, reduce the offending adjustment opacity or create a luminosity mask to restrict corrections only to clipped zones.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.